Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to another budgeting video. I'm going to first start off by thanking all of you for joining me for another budgeting video, but also welcome you to subscribe to my budget channel. I've been posting over there more often, and I actually post budget videos over there first and different types of budgeting videos. My weekly check-ins are over there. I'm not posting them on here at all. So if you want to see these budget videos earlier and get additional videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will link it down below and here in the cards as well. Once this year is over, there will be no more budgeting videos here on this channel. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're doing our sinking funds for the month of August. And if you are following me on my budgeting channel, you would have seen my weekly check-in. I check in on my spending and I show you guys what I spend my money on, and I'll give you guys a sneak peek. So I am doing this over there on my budgeting channel, and so I do weekly check-ins with you guys over there. So if you're interested to see what I spend for the rest of the month, definitely go over there because these videos will not be uploaded here on this channel. So let's get started. So sinking funds, let's see. Actually, let's organize our money. I do have my cash here. I went to the bank and we are stuffing $500 today, and let's organize this. Sometimes they're facing the right way, sometimes they're not, but yeah, we're stuffing $500 today. Now I typically stuff a little bit around $700 typically in my sinking funds every month. I do it once a month. Some people like to do their sinking funds every paycheck. I do mine once a month. It's just easier for me to do that. But yeah, this month, again, oh, that's what I was saying when I was showing you guys my spending check-in. I have been spending a lot of money this month. I spent a lot of money last month, so this month I can only stuff $500 instead of my usual $750 into my sinking funds, because I also have to keep in mind I have to do my savings challenges as well. So we are very tight this month, so that's why we are only stuffing $500. Again, if you want to see my spending for the month of August, head over to the budget channel. Okay, so let's just take a peek at what happened in July, and let's see. So in July, as you guys can see, we did go to Mexico, so obviously money came out of my travel envelope, and then I got my hair done and my nails done as well for the vacation. So that's pretty much all that happened in July. Now to August, I already did some spending, so I'm going to show this to you guys first because it is August 19th and the month is almost over. How crazy is that? But so just to give you guys a heads up, I did do a day trip with one of my girlfriends, Natalie. So I took out $30 from my travel envelope, and then my mom's birthday was earlier in the month, so I took out $100 from special occasions because I had to take my mom out and all that good stuff. So let's now get into our actual sinking funds here. As you guys can see down here, we are starting our sinking funds for the month of August with $3,982, and we don't have any new sinking funds for this month. I added all of my new ones last month in July, so there's that. Let me try to zoom you guys in a teeny bit more. I don't know. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, so if you guys are curious, I always link my supplies and all of that down below. My binder, my envelopes, all of it. These labels I make myself, and I'm thinking about offering them, or offering to sell them, like make them and sell them. So I will announce that on the budget channel if that does happen. All right, so let's get right into it. We are stuffing our travel envelope first, and as you guys can see, I have allocated $50 to travel, and I've noticed over the several years I've been doing this, this has been you know, spending money when I go travel, any like domestic type of travel within the United States. Sometimes I'll use it for flights and stuff. So, and as you guys saw, I used it for like a day trip or weekend trip. So this has been really helpful. It's giving me the chance to still have fun with my friends, live my life, and not feel bad about it, which I love. All right, so for travel, we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 50, 500, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 640, 650, 655, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. 672 in travel. So we are building that back up nicely. And the next domestic travel I have is I'm going to New Orleans for Halloween. So I might be pulling some money out actually later this month because I am booking my flight. So this might change by next month. All right, next we have emergency. Emergency, we're just doing $20. I have not spent money from this emergency envelope in quite some time. I'm actually very proud of myself. So we have 100, 250, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 420 in emergency. The last time I think I spent out of this was when I was having major car problems and I had to exhaust my car maintenance, but I'm thankful my car has been okay lately. Okay, next we have is medical. Medical is another one that I don't really pull from, but we're adding $20 into medical. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, $520 in medical. And yeah, I'm just gonna slowly continue to build this up. Not for anything in particular, but just in case, you know. Okay, the next envelope we have is car maintenance. You guys know, I have a love-hate with this. So we are finally building this back up and we're gonna stuff $50 today. And we have 150, 70, 95. 195 in car maintenance. So that's nice. It's nice to see this start to build back up because it just kept going to zero. All right, so special occasions, we're gonna add 25. We're only starting with 30 because like I said, my mom's birthday was earlier this month. So we'll take a 20 and the 5. So we have 20, 40, 55 in special occasions. And I don't think I have many more birthdays until my niece's birthday. My friend Alan's birthday, I already have that covered. But yeah. All right, Christmas, we're adding, oh wait, sorry. What did we say, 55? Yeah, 55 in special occasions. Okay, Christmas, we're adding 30. I don't really know what Christmas is gonna be looking like, so I really need to sit down and figure out if I have to contribute more every month or I don't know. 100, 150, 170, 190, $200 in Christmas. Typically for Christmas, I only get presents for my brother, my niece, and my mom. So I don't think I would need too much. I don't know. All right, next we have is family. Family is just getting $10. You guys, I've been stuffing this envelope, not really knowing what it's going to, but it's just like an extra savings on the side if I need it for my family or if something comes up or if we want to do something or something happens. So 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 260 in family. Okay. Home. If you watched my video, my weekly check-in video, it was a whole thing and I'm not going to get into it here. Go watch that video if you're interested, but anyway, home. It had to do with my home envelope. $20, $40, $60 in home. Okay. And that is it for my purple binder. Okay. Oh no! See, this is what happens. $60 and home. Let me get my white out because I clearly made a mistake. Oh wait, I can just do $260 in family. Easy, easy correction. Okay, this is my 52-week challenge. You guys will see that in the next challenge update video. Okay, so this is my purple binder. All done, and now we have my mint green binder. And the first envelope that we have here is my birthday. I always save up for my birthday, but this year I don't think I'm gonna do anything special. I'm sorry, next year I'm not gonna do anything special because it's around the same time as my cousin's bachelorette. So I might just celebrate with her because her and I have like birthdays that are very close to each other. So we're just adding $20. So we should have $120 in birthday. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Perfect. Alrighty, and then we have grease. You guys know the grease envelope is one of my favorites, and it is going to hit over $1,000 today. We always add $100 to grease. This is my big trip next year for my cousin's wedding. And then also I just figured out that while I'm over there doing Greece, I'm probably going to hit Italy and France as well. So this Greece envelope, I'm trying to bulk up, you guys. Like I'm trying to get this nice and cushioned. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,050 in Greece. How exciting. Took us a while to crack 1,000, but we did it. So $1,050. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, next envelope is new car. The whole talk and idea of my new car has been put on pause, so I'm not rushing to get a new car. So I'm slowly gonna stuff this. I'm only gonna put $20 in this because again, not a priority, but definitely something I'm going to look into in the future. So we're saving for it now. 100, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, and we're adding 20, so that's 540. 540 in new car. Okay. All right, and the next envelope we have is our beauty envelope. This has 0 in it, and we're just gonna add, wait, why does it say 80? I don't have 80, this is 0. Let's take the white out. Okay, so we're just gonna add 20 into it. I'm not gonna get my nails redone. I'm just gonna start doing them myself again. It saves so much money when you do your nails yourself, and I do enjoy doing my nails. As you guys can tell, I love dip, I love gel, I love press-ons, all of it. So we're gonna save some money and start to build this back up for my next haircut. And yeah, so $20 is what we have in our beauty envelope. Health is getting $20. Okay, so now we have 50. 20, 40, 50 in health, which this is probably going to be used when I need to pick up some more pre-workout that I use for the gym, and that's about $50 or $60, my container of pre-workout. So that's health. All right, Bachelorette's only getting 20, okay? And I don't know, did I give you guys details on this? We're going to Cabo for my cousin's bachelorette. Again, around the same time of her birthday and my birthday. So we have 50, 70, 95 in bachelorette. The reason I'm slowly stuffing this is because I think I'm going to stuff this when we finish our savings challenges for the year. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. But also, I'm doing 2 savings challenges this year, and by the end of the year, I will have over $6,000 to allocate, play with, invest, stuff, different sinking funds, go on trips. So, you know, in that video, you guys will see what I do with my savings challenges, but I already know I am going to stuff this envelope completely once the end of the year hits. All right, anyway, I'm going on a tangent. Car insurance. Car insurance always gets $70, 50, 70. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 140 in car insurance. So I pay that, but you know, 6 months at a time. So we have 140. And then giving, we have $5. You guys know I always just keep the $5 in my wallet to give to people in need that I see when I'm out in my car or on the street. All right, so that is pretty much it for my sinking funds. So our grand total for our sinking funds for August is $4,482. How exciting. Super proud. I just love watching my sinking funds grow every single month, and I really hope you guys are doing the same and just saving for the future, saving for things you want, what you want to do, etc. because, you know, this just really is a nice way to still continue to enjoy life and not feel bad about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you know when my videos are posted. Subscribe to my budget channel. Please, I know you're gonna love the videos over there if you love these videos already. And yeah, all the links will be down below for my savings challenges, my, you know, budgeting tools, etc. Again, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!